So my Legion 1540 keyboard stopped working, and then I trying to update the framework for this laptop. It shows up cannot find device, so I believe my keyboard is permanent damaged. I don't know what's going on, but it just happened today. I did some quick Reddit research, and people saying that there's a static electric build up inside the keyboard. I did hold down a power button for like 60 seconds. That's what they recommend to do it to fix the problem. But after I done that, nothing being fixed. So I have my external USB keyboard plugged into the USB port right now. It's trying to use this keyboard. So I believe my keyboard, which is the laptop keyboard, is damaged. So just in case if somebody have the same issue like me, if you want to know if your keyboard is permanent damage or just build up like static electric in your keyboard, all you gotta do is go inside the Lenovo Vintage software and try to update your framework for all the hardware that you have for your laptop. And if this pop up, it says can't find device, that means your keyboard is damaged. Okay. I just wanted to record this, and just in case if somebody have the same issue, so you can figure out the problem yourself. Either would be static electric build up in your keyboard, to make it not working, or your keyboard is damaged. I believe this problem occurred because I live in a really cold place. So it built up, when you live in cold place, it built up static electric pretty quick. So yeah, I remember a couple of times when I try to type in, I shock myself when I touch here, the USB port, and that's what happened to my keyboard. So I guess it's dead. I mean, rip. Thank you guys. Bye now.